Hi friends, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more latest informative updates. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the chrome beading roll to Mahindra XUV500. So for the unboxing you can just go to the description link and you can watch the unboxing video. So you need to first clean the surface of the window trim, and afterwards you need to stick the chrome beading to the window trim. So you need to first measure properly so that you can stick it to the corner of the window trim. So I'm just going to cut as per the measurement so that I can stick it to the corner of the car. So please cut it very neatly so that you don't find any gap between it. So after that I'm just going to measure and I'm going to just peel off the double-sided tape. After peeling the double-sided tape, I'm just going to start sticking to the window lower trim. So just keep on fitting. So the fitting of this tape is very easy. So this tape is very flexible, that is it can bend as per the car door curves. So this chrome beading roll is of 10 meters length and of wide 15 mm, that is 1.5 centimeters. I bought this roll online. It is available in many shopping website. I bought it for rupees 498 only. So when I reach to the corner of the window trim, I am just going to cut accordingly to the straight of the corner. So let us cut the trim. So the sticking is ready. I'm just going to peel off this blue wrap. This blue wrap has been given as a protective layer to the chrome strip so that during installation the chrome doesn't get damaged or get scratches. So you can just watch the difference between the right door and the left door. So the left, let us start to the left door. I just start sticking to the door, the window trim. Sometimes you can find that the double-sided tape cannot be properly peeled, and or there will be some loss of the sticky nature. In such cases, let me show you. So I'm just peeling off the tape. So here you can see that there is no sticky layer, right? So in such cases you can just cut off the chrome beading to few inches and then start fitting the car window trim with the next end. So the other end is really nice. So I will start sticking to the window trim. So with the double-sided tape, it's very easy to install. Please make sure that the measurement is correctly fixed. So in Mahindra XUV500W, you can find at the back side of the window there is a curve which goes above. So at this time you can see that this tape is very flexible in nature, so it bends as per the car door curves. So you can see here I'm just going to bend this and it easily sticks to the window trim. So when I reach to the corner of the window, I'm just going to cut off the chrome strip. Now let us peel off the blue protective layer, the blue cover, and you can watch the chrome. Now the XUV500 windows are garnished with chrome, and it's really look, it has enhanced the vehicle's overall look. So thanks for watching this video. Let me show you to the other side of the door chrome installation. So this is how you need to install to the other side, to the both sides of this XUV500W. Peel off the layers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like and share this video. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.